Hi, are you a freelancer looking to file your taxes? Filing taxes as a freelancer can be tricky, but don't worry. In this video, we will walk you through the process step by step. Step 1. Gather necessary data. Before you begin your filing, make sure you have all the necessary information that includes your expenses, incomes for the year, as well as any relevant receipts or invoices. Step 2. Fill out the form. Freelancers typically need to file Schedule C along with their income tax to report their business income and expenses. Additionally, you may need to file other forms depending on your business structure. Step 3. Deductions and credits. As a freelancer, you may be eligible for various tax deductions and credits. That includes your home office expenses, travel expenses, and retirement contribution. Step 4. Review and submit. Once you have filled all the necessary forms, review them carefully to ensure accuracy, then submit your tax returns electronically or by mail. Say goodbye to tax filing stress. Connect with saiefiling tax experts.